Hello everyone, it's Bernard here. And I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the new space black color. And I don't know about you, but I have this impression that whenever Apple stagnates in the design, they just bring back black color. Just like with the iPhone 7, And I gotta admit, I'm all for it. I love black iPhones, especially the matte blacks. So I was really excited to see this one in person, to have my hands on and see how it compares to the one true black iPhone, the iPhone 7. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. And here it is, and as you can see, Apple completely ditched plastic wrapping. It may not be the most elegant packaging, but it's really sturdy and smart. So I really dig that it's plastic free. And surprisingly, the Pro models this year, they come in white boxes. As you can see, it's obviously a Pro model because it has the dynamic island, but now it's in a new white packaging, which is funny because there were many leaked tabs that were being produced in black color, and they all go to waste. A little SMR. Really satisfying. It's stronger glue this year. And wow, the new color is absolutely gorgeous. It looks better than I expected. You need to see it in person, I think, because even in my lighting it's looking a little more gray than in person. I see it on the camera at least. But yeah, it's absolute beauty. The bands, the stainless steel is really deep, and the back is this nice satin. It's really great combination, and I absolutely dig it. Like, the color is really great feature this year. And the cable, USB-C to Lightning, it's still not braided, even though Apple Watch Ultra comes with a braided one, but well. And the booklet designed by Apple in California. Obviously I still got the SIM ejector tool because I'm in Europe, some quick instructions, and sticker which is still not in black. Missed opportunity, obviously. And this is probably the last time we see the screen fingerprint free. Yeah, we can see the cutout for the dynamic island, and yeah, it's two separate ones, but again, you need to look for it even in such direct light, so it shouldn't be an issue when using it. And yeah, the piano black, the jet black stainless steel frame really fits this iPhone. It's the best looking shiny steel band in my opinion, maybe next to gold. And the fingerprints, they disappear quickly from the back, obviously because it's matte, and on the sides I was expecting it to be worse, honestly, to be complete fingerprint magnet, but it's really manageable. Obviously English, and we can see the dynamic island being turned on. We can see the space in between, and again, you need to look for it, honestly. Okay, and now let's compare it to the one true black iPhone, the iPhone 7. And it's indeed darker because it was made from black aluminum, and as you can see, it's really scratched. And this was one of the biggest issues with black iPhones, that they simply scratch and look really bad, then the silver protrudes. And the new color is a little lighter, but again, it's not gray, it's just more subtle, more satin-like, and I really like it. Even though I was a big fan of the 7, the 14 Pro color is definitely my new favorite. Yeah, we can see the cameras got a lot bigger. And the phone itself is not that much larger. It's not like you're holding an iPad, even though the screen is massively bigger. But yeah, overall, the new iPhone is a little different, a little lighter, but looks so much better. It's especially with those stainless steel sides and matte finish. So yeah, if you like this new iPhone, subscribe for more. We will do obviously camera test versus 13 Pro Max. we will do the famous battery drain test, and I will check how the always on display affects it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, give this video a like and have a nice day. See you in the next one.